Hello everyone, welcome and welcome you all to my channel. So for today we are going to be making this ball dress. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Welcome and welcome you all to my channel. So for today I'm going to be making children ball dress. Okay, so this is the first time of coming to my channel. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. So basically most people ask what do you do or what consists of a children dress that makes it balls like the ball dress. So in this video I'm going to bring you guys along in today's outfit, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn how to make a children ball dress. So now let's get started. So this is the upper bodice. Okay, so I'm still going to put some embellishment on it. So this is the upper block. It depends on what you want to use for your upper block. So for the next or the first stage, I'm going to make use of two nets. So this net, it depends. You can make about 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers. It depends. But the more layer of the two nets, the more the ball dress becomes more full, and the more it becomes more beautiful. Okay. So while you are putting your two nets, you are to make pleats. You guys know how to make pleats now. So you make pleats on it. Okay, and you have to be very careful because this is just like a normal net that can easily tear, so you have to be very careful with it. So I'm going to go ahead and pleat. So the amount of two nets you need depends on how full you want your ball dress to be. So I'm going to go ahead and pleat all these two nets in my basic block and show you guys what next you have to do. So this is about 3 layers already, so you can pleat. The more you pleat, the more it becomes full. So after that I'm going to go in with this. So this is taffeta, or you can make use of brother satin or taffeta. It actually depends on the outcome of what you actually want to achieve. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this, and also I'm going to pleat on it also. So after pleating on it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So after going in with this, okay, so the next thing we have to do is to make use of your ad net. Now the essence of this ad net is it makes it ball, like it gives effect or more structure to the ball, so it actually makes it ball effectively. Okay, after going in with this, don't forget that this is the satin. We have the net. After placing the net in about 3 layers, 4 layers, it actually depends on what you want. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go in with this ad net. Now one thing about this ad net, or the essence of making use of this ad net, is it gives effect, like it gives effect to bring out the ball in the children dress. Okay, so this ad net actually brings out the effect, like it makes it bold. So for this ad net also, you are going to pleat on it basically. So we are going to pleat on it this way. Now while you are pleating on it, of course you pleat on it, and after pleating on it, you are going to have that effect, like the effect is really going to come out very well. Okay, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. So after pleating this, I'm going to show you guys what next you have to do. So while you are pleating it, you can see the effect is actually standing already. So you just pleat it. Yeah, you can see this effect already, like it stands. So it gives structure to it gives structure to your ball dress. However, you can join us for training. I have online training on detailed ball dress. That is when you want to have this 100% effect. Okay, so this is just the basics, especially for beginners. So you can join us for training if you want to venture into children wear. There are certain things like size chart, how to get inches of the armhole to use and all of that. So all these are entailed in the training. I'm going to put down the details down below. So after this hardness, we're going to cover it up because this might be too hard on the skin, especially when you are dealing with little children. So we're going to cover it up with a pair with lining. Okay, so for this lining I'm going to tape the edges. Don't forget to always tape the edges, okay, except you want to actually weave it, or you want to use bias to tape it, but I think taping is actually okay. So what we are going to do now is moving with our lining next. This is the next thing we have to do. So for this lining also, you are also going to pleat. Okay, so you are basically pleating on everything, and so there's no basic inches or basic inches required. It depends on one, how full you want the dress to be. Two, it depends on the age you are working with. So when you are working with, let's say, a child of 2 years or a year, you're not going to use the same amount of fabric for a child of 8 years, and you're not going to use the same amount of fabric for a child of 12 years. So basically that is why I didn't take you guys through the measurements class, because there is no standard measurement. I can't say use 20 inches or use 13 inches. It depends on how full you want it to be, and it also depends on the age and the effect you actually want to achieve. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my lining. I'm going to do the same with my lining. I'm going to pleat all the way. So after pleating, I'm going to show you guys what next you have to do, so stay tuned. So another thing I want you guys to take note of is the lining. Okay, when you're cutting your lining, the inches should actually be longer than the hardness. Okay, because you want to cover up this hardness totally. You don't want it to actually show. You want to cover it up totally, and you don't want it to actually show in what you are doing. So your inches for the lining should be longer than this hardness in order for you to cover it up totally. But don't forget that it shouldn't exceed your taffeta or your bridal satin. Okay, it shouldn't exceed this, but it should be longer than your hardness. So anyway, we are going to go in and pleat it the same way. So after pleating it, I'll show you guys what next you have to do. The time you are done is going to be very bulky, you guys. We have like the lining, we have the hardness, we have our satin, we have the layers of net again. So make sure you arrange them properly. Okay, make sure you take your time to arrange them properly before you actually stitch it, because it's going to be very bulky. Yeah, so this is what we have now. So I'm going to go ahead and sew it at the both sides and show you guys what next you have to do. So after stitching it, this is what we have. You can see it has different layers. So the inside is also very neat. Okay, so you're just going to weave this place. So the next thing I have to do now is to sew the other side of it, because we actually don't want to see this outcome. So you have to be very careful when you are sewing it. This area might be a little bit thick, but gradually your machine is going to pass through it. So after sewing it, I'm going to show you guys what next you have to do. This is what we have. So I'm going to close it in now. I'm going to fix in my zipper. So I'm going to attach my zip and close up this part. So when I'm done, you guys can see the effect already. You can see the way it's standing, even without the finishing look and all. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, drop your questions or topics you want us to treat down below at the comment section. So let me go ahead and fix in the zip and show you guys what it